Before you throw away another pair of old jeans, stop, because what you're about to see might completely change how you look at denim forever. Today, we're diving into some of the most creative, surprising, and honestly addictive ways to upcycle old jeans into things you'll actually use and love. Every idea in this video was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked my Pinterest board in the description so you can check out the original inspiration and patterns for yourself. I want you to watch closely, pick your favorite idea, and drop it in the comments, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style right here on the channel. Some of these are simple, some are a little unexpected, but all of them prove you don't need to buy new when you already have something this good sitting in your closet. So grab those old jeans you've been holding on to, and let's turn them into something way better than before. Creativity grows the more you use it, and that's something a lot of people don't realize when they first start upcycling jeans. At the beginning, it can feel like you're just following ideas, trying things out, and maybe even second-guessing yourself. But the more you actually do it, the more your brain starts working differently. You begin to look at a pair of old jeans, and instead of seeing something worn out, you start seeing pieces, possibilities, and options. One leg could become something completely different. A pocket could turn into a feature, seams become structure, and suddenly nothing feels wasted anymore. That's when it starts getting addictive, because you're not just making one project, you're training your mind to think creatively in a way that carries over into everything else you do. And the more you practice, the faster those ideas come, and the more confident you feel trying something new without needing step-by-step instructions. This is how real creativity builds, not overnight, but through repetition, curiosity, and just being willing to try. If you're enjoying content like this, make sure you like and subscribe for more sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative ways to turn what you already have into something better without spending a fortune. I also have tutorial videos linked in the description from previous videos covering different ideas you can follow step by step at home, along with more related videos you can watch next if you want to keep building your skills and confidence. So as you keep watching, start looking at these ideas a little differently, not just as projects, but as practice, because the more you use your creativity, the more it grows. And before you know it, you won't just be following ideas, you'll be coming up with your own.